What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope all is well. Today we're going to be installing a GT350R bumper from Extreme Online Store into a 2017 Mustang GT. Omar's Mustang GT, he's on his way right now. Also Marty's on his way in the Supra, so we'll be able to see the Supra. We haven't seen it in a minute, and we're just going to get right into it. So far we have the basic pieces already done. These are all pretty simple pieces to put on. You just line up all the tabs, start pushing in until it clicks. You got to work your way through. You can't do it all at once. Remember, the bumper is pretty flexible, so you can push and get the tabs in. Same with the bottom. These corner pieces, you got to start on the inside and then work your way out, but they all line up. You just got to press from both sides. Again, this is pretty flexible, so you got to get it all up in there, okay? And then the bottom piece just slides in through the bottom. You just got to make sure that all these tabs line up and they get in all the way in, so that way you can get through everything. We have some hardware here, but remember, all these bumpers, they go on the different generation Mustangs, so they have different pieces for the different Mustangs. We're going to figure out which ones are we going to use when we transfer over the daytime rolling lights and all that. So let's jump right into that. All right, so we got Omar here. Crappy ass weather picked up, but let's take the bumper off. All right, so there's videos on how to take this all over the internet, so we're just gonna go over it through really quick. These are all just clips. We're gonna move those clips. This comes off. Once that peaks come off, these are all 8mm. The same it's under, and then under here you have the 5.5s. Two 5.5s and the 8mm. Now we gotta remove clips all around this side and the other side. Just in case you're wondering, GT350 manifold, GT350 throttle body, PMAS, the one that goes all the way down in there. Injectors. What is it? Is it LU47s? Yeah. The 4 performance ones. The one that goes on the GT350, right? And it has a Lone Racing tune, 93. He hasn't put it on corn yet. Trying to get the bolt in there. It's a 7mm. As it's coming off, don't forget you have to the daytime running lights. Keep it like bottom. From light to bottom. Oh, then I forgot the third one over there.
On the side. Oh, you don't get no more fog lights there, buddy. Nope.
Now we got to transfer this piece right here onto that over there. Transferring over his LEDs from the other.
To the top, right? Yes, to the top.
No, it's supposed to go in before we put everything in. So note to self, these can be put in at the same time as that. If not, you're gonna have to force it over the top.
I could be wrong.
Access through the bottom. All right, so it's all buttoned up. We got the clips for the bottom, to here, to there. We got, these are all 7mm. We did not reuse the one from the stock bumper. We used the new ones that it came with. We put 2 here, so 2 here, 3 here, and then we put these 4 over here, which is one of these with the bigger screw. Got him to tighten them all up, and I think that's pretty much it. Now we go on to putting it in the car. We added these little attachments that came with the clip too. It's just to extend this over, so when you put it back on, it'll fit here. Ooh, that look pretty. You have a Shelby now.
It's done. It looks good. I ain't gonna lie, it looks good, Omar.
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks like really, really good.
Also, we didn't put the piece that goes behind this that it brought, that blocks off, makes it look like the GT350 or the Shelby. We left it open so it breathes
Because
air
it's a
in.
race car.
And now we pretty much reverse the process. We put all the 8mm, the 5.5. We put the pins on the side, and then he doesn't have the underbelly fan, so we won't go into that. But if you have it under, I mean, all the holes and everything lines up, and you have the hardware, so it's pretty easy to do. Woo, it's looking good. We're buttoning up, but before we have to transfer the rubber piece that goes here to protect it. It's gonna come off right here into the side.
Let's see what people on the hook.
That's good, yeah? Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, I like it. Hey, no, everything works. It looks good.
We need the badge to come in. Put the badge there. It's all done. Let's go for a little stroll and check it out. There you have it, ladies and gents. GT350R bumper on the 2017 Mustang GT. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks awesome. You saw it rolling, you saw it installing, you saw it parked, you saw some photos, and you saw the installation was seamless. Easy to get out. The stock bumper, switch just the lights, a couple bolts here and there, and it's all said and done. So yeah, if you want to check out that bumper, go to Stream Online Store. Thank you for sponsoring the bumper. Just like the Z011 LE bumper for the Camaro. And that's about it. You know how it is. Just let us know in the comments what you think. Like, subscribe, all that stuff, and see you all later. Peace.